Welcome to today's video where we explore the top essential fruits. These fruits not only tantalize your taste buds but also provide a wealth of nutrients for your well-being. Our journey begins with the humble orange. Bursting with vitamin C, oranges are a powerhouse for boosting your immune system. Just one medium-sized orange provides over 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. But that's just the beginning. Oranges also contain fiber, potassium, and a range of antioxidants that contribute to heart health and overall vitality. Now, let's escape to the tropics with the king of fruits, the mango. Mangoes are a rich source of vitamins A and E, promoting healthy skin and vision. Their natural sweetness makes them a delightful alternative to sugary desserts. Mangoes are not only delicious but also versatile. You can enjoy them fresh, blend them into smoothies, or use them to create savory salsas for a burst of flavor in your dishes. Speaking of versatility, our next essential fruit is the versatile and nutrient-packed avocado. Don't be fooled by its creamy texture. Avocados are rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and contain more potassium than bananas. Avocados also offer a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin E, and folate, which supports cell repair and growth. They're a great addition to salads, sandwiches, and even as a base for delicious guacamole. Last but not least, let's dive into the world of berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are all nutritional powerhouses. Packed with antioxidants, they help fight inflammation and support brain health. Berries are also low in calories and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for those watching their weight. Incorporate them into your breakfast, snacks, or desserts for a burst of vibrant flavor. Click on the like button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos like this. Let's hear your views in the comments section below. There's love in sharing. Share this video with your loved ones. See you next time. Bye.